Hey Tim, it's Jor-El giving you a little video follow-up here from Audi Winnipeg. Thanks for dropping in. What a small world. Can't believe you know my man Cole. What a great guy. And of course, Dopes. Awesome stuff. So I just pulled up the cars here, the 2019 A7 and 2019 Q8. We have two A7s, 10 Q8s. We don't have any more SQ5s at the moment. We probably have some on order that are incoming. And we're sold out of the 18 for the SQ5s besides that demo. So if you want an SQ5, we'll definitely have to wait until one of those arrives. But here's a list of all the Q8s. And of course, we have a white on black A7. There's more white. There's white. There's Navarro blue. There's more white for the Q8. Of course, more white. Black on brown. The permanent blue on black A7. And some Daytona Grand Black. Really nice combination for that Technic. That might be one to consider for a Q8, definitely. And, of course, the black on black, which looks amazing. So if you want a specific price on one of those, just let me know. And I'll definitely build one for you. Bye for now.